been thinking about for 10 minutes now what to do today. My highly gifted brain is saying, make a share and like and something you can win, video or something. I want to make one of these just for YouTube and give it away to someone, just in order to let my channel grow and make people aware of what I'm going through right now in my life. And I don't know where to start. Man. It's difficult. Everything is difficult in my life. Loneliness, the energy levels that fluctuate every single time I want to do something. I had this cleaned about 2 weeks ago. Now I'm making windows again, and it's not. I'm going to sell this place. What do I care about the windows? Sorry. It's just, I want to move to a place of my own. This camping is not mine. I mean, from January 1st, 2026, I might be homeless. I don't know what the hell I'm doing this all for, all this mess, this stuff. I just want to make rolling ball sculptures for a living and a mushroom farm in France, in my own house, which I can. Nobody will judge me then, not by how the house looks. I want it to look like I want it to have it look, but I don't want to spend another euro in this place. But I have to, because the camping decides that, and the junk pile next to me is not getting fixed up. So I'm gonna clean it all up again, start from square one, and I really don't want to. Okay, I've decided that I'm going to clean this place one more time, and then I'm going to get ready for some share and like video. So that will give me some room and hopefully grow the channel, because I'm not going to talk about rolling balls and DIY projects alone. I'm going to talk about loneliness, depression, things that overcome us in our lives and what they do to us. So if you want to follow me and my journey, which my plans are to go to France and build something new from scratch, then join this channel. So wish me luck. good. And I'm going to make this